but I'm done. That's enough. Ooh, this is ugly. This isn't working. No. It looks quite pretty from far away. Hi guys, it's Beatty. Today I'm doing the one brush only makeup challenge. Let's get into it. This is the Morphe R36 brush and I'm going to use it for my whole face of makeup, or try to use it, I guess I should say. Anything that can be done with a brush will be done with a brush. Let's start on foundation. The reason why the brush was already dirty was because I already done my foundation with it once. And then I realized I wasn't recording. And I wouldn't be mad about it. I mean, it happens. But I took my foundation off and I put it on again. And I realized I wasn't recording again. That's just awesome. The only problem is that this takes so bloody long because the brush is so small. I mean, technically, I could have chosen a bigger brush, but if I would have done that, then I wouldn't be able to do my eyes. So I need this brush to be big enough for face makeup, but small enough for the eyes, which I think this one is. I think I can do this. Cut to me fucking up everything. No, I'm really going to try, actually. This takes forever. Okay, so it's definitely not perfect and it's definitely not blended everywhere, but to be honest, I'm so over this. Doing this the third time to blend with this teeny tiny brush the whole face is so tedious, so I'm done. The whole challenge is cancelled. For concealer, I'm going to adopt the same strategy. Just put it on my hand, pick up with the brush and make sure I don't put it everywhere on my face, just in the corner. But this brush was not good for foundation. It's definitely not good for concealer. Well, basically, if I would want to do my face makeup with this kind of brush, it would have to be more dense, but I don't think I would be able to do my eye makeup then. To be honest, I think that's the best I will get. Not much coverage, a light dusting of concealer because that's what a queen wants. I have a discoloration on my face I would really like to conceal, but to be honest, I can't be bothered. I'm doing the same with contour, basically just putting on my hand. This is actually quite a good method for applying contour, even with this kind of brush. If you apply small amounts, it will be good. I don't know if you can see, but it's very subtle. At least one thing will look good. Hey, contour this 5-head into a 4-head. Just cover with hair, it's fine. Okay, nose. This can be tricky. I think I need it a little smaller for the nose. I have hair ties. I'm going to apply hair tie to my brush and try to make it a bit smaller for my nose contour, because otherwise this is just gonna be a disaster. I think this should work. You know what? It doesn't work that great. But I think it's just because I don't like cream contour on the nose. I like powder contour and I like a very small amount of powder contour. I should have done powder contour. Pretend that never happened. This is taking way too long. I'm already bored. Powder. I don't even know why would I want to powder this face. I think this brush is actually the most useful for powder because you can do very direct powdering. I hate when powder is all over the face. It just looks so flat. This actually looks quite pretty from far away. I'm using Coralista, very old favorite. Can't believe I'm wasting it for this look. I love that I'm putting on blush without knowing what actual look I'm going to do. This is not enough blush. Why blush is so nice. Like, I love blush so much. Okay, highlight. I have this one that I want to use. That's what this brush is actually for. It's for highlighter. So far, so good. I mean, it's face makeup. I knew it's going to be easier than everything else. I'm curious about how am I going to do lips with this, because as I said, if it can be done with a brush, it will be done with a brush. And lipstick can be applied with a brush. I don't wear that much highlighter anymore, but damn. For the eyeshadow, I think I'm going to wash this because I don't think I'm able to do eyeshadow with this. Or should I not wash it? Should I just make it part of the challenge that you just keep using the same brush? Oh my god, but if I do that, then how am I gonna do lips after eyebrows or vice versa? Okay, let's do that, and one problem at a time. Okay. Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette. Let's do actual glam. Why not? Let's butcher glam. I will start with this one. It's a warm shade brown. It's what we need right now. Let's see what it does on the eye. It did create a shadow. It's not pretty, but it did create a shadow. I should have made it smaller. I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm using the rubber band again because this isn't working. This should be good now. All right, targeted blending. Okay, so my previous application made a shadow here, which I don't want, but it's there now, so what can I do? Ooh, this is ugly. So ugly. I'm gonna make this even smaller now because I want to do underneath my eyes. Oh, this is dense now. It's fine for underneath the eyes because this light shade also basically is like disappearing into my eye. This red, a dark brownish red. I have it here. This is so dense. Please, I want this to look good. The irregular shape of this brush now, it makes it so hard to blend, but I'm not going to give up. This is happening. This brush is gonna lose its hair by the end of this. Okay, I don't actually think this is that bad. Guys, skill above tools, right? Oh, only use brush. Let's fuck up this side. Oh, damn it. I always do this when I do my makeup and I keep forgetting. I can't use my fingers. My eyelids start hurting from this brush because it's so dense. And this is really patchy. It's not blended at all. I took off the rubber band because, to be honest, I just want this to be blended. I don't care about the shape anymore. Yeah, I don't think that's happening though. I said skill of tools, I said, right? There's a lot of places where I don't want the eyeshadow, like here, for example, it's way too deep. And there's places where I want it and it's not. To be honest, I don't think I can fix the inner corner. The more I blend it, the more I just look like I have a black eye. Oh well. Basically, let's just move on. I have no choice now but to take another eyeshadow on this brush. I'm going to take this one because I want to do like a sparkly eyelid. I feel like I should have done it first because now it's gonna have a mixture of purple on it. See, this eyeshadow is very pretty, but mixed with the purple doesn't do it for me. Because the brush had purple on it, why did I do that? And now the fallout is all over my face because this eyeshadow should not be applied with this kind of a brush. Am I stupid enough to do the black on the corners? I think I am, just a little bit. For depth, it's not gonna blend, is it? I should have just left it. This is horrible, yeah? I really thought this brush will do well for eyeshadow. I really did. But no. I kinda look like a panda. I didn't even realize, but this choice of colors with a light eyelid. Yeah, I'm a panda. All I need is a black lipstick now. Oh. No, I don't want to do black lipstick. But I will, won't I? Actually, this is highly logical. Because if I do my eyebrows next, those will be brown, and then lipstick would be black. That is logic. To do the eyebrows, I'm first going to make it small again, and then I'm going to make it flat with a bobby pin. I don't know about this. This is very skinny and weird shaped now. It doesn't dip to my pomade. Maybe it's for the best. Okay, you really need the right tools to do makeup, actually.
Pure of tools.
No, but wait. No, but the front is not bad. This is actually making like nice natural strokes. Well, this is just a blob of brown. Why did it look so natural before and now it kind of looks bad? Oh, let's just continue. I should be closer to the mirror when I'm doing this. But to be honest, I don't think I want to see a close-up of this. This eyebrow is literally flying off my face. I kind of need to do the other one the same. Man, I don't know what I'm doing. Why is this so ugly? I took off the bobby pin and it's basically like holding its shape because of the pomade. It dried. But this eyebrow is atrocious. It's even worse than the other one. Oh shit. Oh, I forgot again. I'm not supposed to use my hands. I think, what? I'm done. That's enough. That's enough of this. Let's just do eyelashes. Eyelashes cannot be done with a brush, but technically an eyeliner can be done with a brush. No. Fine. My brush is already stiff from the brow pomade, so this should be easy, right?
Bruh.
It's like I'm doing eyeliner for the first time in my life, I swear. This is atrocious, but I'm just gonna blend the black liner on my lash line. There's nothing wrong with that in glam, right? Smoky eyes. Beautiful. I've never looked so good. I keep forgetting I cannot use my fingers to like wipe something. Why did I make that roll anyways? I mean, look, from far away, this could pass. I mean, some people actually wear this eyeliner. I mean, I don't want to be rude, but some people don't know how to do eyeliner and they're rocking it. I've seen many people who have no business to be applying eyeliner, okay? And they still do. And this kind of looks like that. It looks like I'm one of those people who shouldn't be doing this. I'm so angry right now. I think today I have a day for not recording my content because I literally did this and did not record it. Let me redo it, although we all know how this is going to end. Oh, but these liquid lipsticks are impossible to get off. This is a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. Let's start over. Maybe this time I'll do a better job. There's no point of redoing this because my Cupid's just gonna touch my nose at some point. The interesting byproduct of this having all the colors on it is that the black lipstick kind of mixed with all the foundations and made a color that matches my hair. The colors actually are working. Like, if this would be good, I would wear it out. But it's not good. I'm not even gonna bother with the lip gloss. Let's not pretend like I'm going to keep this on my face. I'm over this, okay? I'm over this. I'm done. I need to go outside. I need to take some fresh air. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you would have done something differently. And if you tried this one brush makeup challenge, let me know because I want to see it. Subscribe to my channel. I usually do makeup related content. Usually better makeup than this. Actually, that's not true lately. Lately, I'm just a fool. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll see you next time. I just watched the footage and with this lip on, this kind of weird makeup and this top, I don't look like a cat. I look like a cow. Today I'm doing the one brush foundation challenge. What am I doing? Apparently I'm doing that. I'm going to do I will use the I can't believe I've done it twice already. And none of it is recorded. If I'm not recording this one, I am